Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Shockingly, we are up all across the board today. Let's jump right into Bitcoin at $6,559.95. This is up 11% from yesterday, which is a huge shocker because the stock markets were so catastrophic yesterday that even the NASDAQ had to close. Ethereum is up 8.4% at $135.74. Dash is also up 8.4% at $69.47. And Litecoin is at $39.02, up 6.2% over the last 24 hours. Join us later today when we go into the news articles because there are some very interesting correlations between the articles that were written yesterday and why the price of Bitcoin is going up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.